I'm extra today. How about that?
Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that?
I'm bringing Catch Me Outside, how about that back? Nah, I beg you don't. Hello people, I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do the 3-strand slide up braid. Let's get on with the video. Whoosh. Apparently, sometimes you lot watch my videos and think, how am I going to do that hairstyle? But this one, you're definitely not, because all you need to do is know how to do a 3-strand braid. And we'll go from there. So for this part, all you're doing is a 3-strand braid. So make sure that you take a small section because it doesn't actually work as a big braid. Trust me, I've already tried that. I tried that in the tape before and I cut that out, obviously. But yeah, once you get to about halfway with your braid, so like I am right here, and hold one little strand of that braid, it's up to you, and make sure you slide it up. If you want, you can kind of tug it a little bit so it's not as tight, and it will be more of a zigzag thing than a little slide up braid. If that's the look that you prefer, then you can do that instead, but I don't really prefer that. So after you've done the little pull back, make sure that you put in some bobby pins.
I don't trust anything or anyone below the sun. I don't feel anything at all.
Yo, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, turn my post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. This is kind of last minute because it's 9 PM and I'm supposed to upload it today. But yeah, I'm going to go pre-film some videos, I swear. I'll see you all next time. Bye! It gets me into a good mood to know that I'm getting my subscribers back again because I'm at 207. So that is great news for me. And my self-esteem isn't, as low as the carpet.